Always seek healing from a trained medical professional. This is alternative healing. Only take what resonates with you. And honestly, why not try everything to heal anything? Regardless, music can lift your spirits and make you feel alive. And that's part of the experience we call life. Sound healing. Healing with sound. Sound is frequency. Frequency is energy. Use music and sound frequencies to heal yourself. Music has the power to move your body. Sound frequencies can move your cells in your body. This can heal any part of your being. Set the intention for any music or sound to heal you. As you listen, imagine these music and sound frequencies moving through you. Guide these frequencies with your mind and allow them to heal any part of your body and or any area of your life, like your finances or relationships. I imagine the sounds as golden light that I guide to wherever I want it. I see the golden light fill my entire body and surround my loved ones with this golden light. I imagine myself younger and healthier. I imagine this beautiful golden light when I look at representation of wealth and abundance and see it growing and getting brighter. Hold your visions until you feel the overwhelming joy and delight of your desires, and allow it to shift into the peaceful knowing of this new truth. Do this often until you actually see it in your reality. When you sing and hum musical tones, these sounds vibrate throughout your body and can bring your being into balance. When you sing words, they can become intentions. Allow your sung words to create magic in your life. Singing and chanting are powerful forms of healing. Songs can work like a magical spell. Sing your affirmations and intend to see results now. You are the creator of your life. Tap into the energy of sound and use it to create the life you desire. See yourself joyous and healthy in an environment that inspires you. Don't really need anything outside of yourself to create sound. Sound and music exist in nature. The ebb and flow of the ocean along the shore, running water in a fountain or stream. I often like the sound of rain. Or use your own voice and hum or sing to yourself. Your favorite music works great too. The magic to heal is your intention and guiding the sound with your mind to wherever you need some extra energy to heal something or bring something into balance. Have fun with this. Life is a blessing, and we are blessed with so many gifts to create a beautiful world for ourselves. When you create beauty, you inspire more beauty to be created by everyone else. Wishing you many blessings and much love always. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.